I am glad to welcome you to the GB Cars Problems channel. Today, we are diving into the Ford Fiesta 7th generation, produced from 2017 to 2023. This compact hatchback has been a staple on UK roads, known for its nimble handling and affordable price tag. However, like many cars, it comes with its share of common faults that owners should be aware of. Let us start with the most frequently encountered issues, beginning with the EcoBoost engine problems. The 1-litre EcoBoost turbocharged petrol engine, a popular choice in this model, often suffers from wet belt failures due to oil degradation. This can lead to costly repairs, sometimes exceeding £1,000 if not caught early. Many owners report the timing belt, which is immersed in oil, breaking down prematurely and causing engine damage. Ford issued recalls for some models, but not all are covered, so checking your vehicle's history is crucial. On the positive side, when running smoothly, this engine delivers impressive fuel efficiency, often achieving over 50 miles per gallon on motorways. Electrical gremlins are another common headache for Fiesta owners. Faulty wiring in the dashboard and infotainment system can cause intermittent failures, like the touchscreen freezing or the sat-nav losing signal. These issues might stem from poor insulation or software glitches, leading to frustrating trips to the mechanic. In some cases, the battery drains unexpectedly due to parasitic electrical draws, which could cost around £200 to diagnose and fix. Despite these woes, the Fiesta's electrical setup includes modern features like Apple CarPlay, which enhances connectivity for tech-savvy drivers. Ford has acknowledged some transmission issues with extended warranties, but it is wise to test drive thoroughly before buying. On the brighter side, the Fiesta's chassis is tuned for fun, providing sharp cornering that rivals more expensive hot hatches. Suspension components wear out faster than expected on UK pothole-ridden roads. Bushings and shock absorbers often need replacement after just 30,000 miles, leading to a bumpy ride and repair bills around £500. This is exacerbated by the car's lightweight design, which prioritizes agility over durability. However, that same lightweight build contributes to the Fiesta's excellent handling, making it a joy on twisty B-roads. Regular maintenance can mitigate these issues, keeping the car feeling fresh for longer. Rust can appear on the underbody and wheel arches, particularly in salted winter conditions across the UK. This is more prevalent in earlier 2017 models, where protective coatings were not as robust. A thorough underbody inspection during MOTs is essential to catch it early. Positively, the Fiesta's bodywork is generally well finished, with a sleek design that still looks modern today. Prices for used examples start from around £3,000 for higher mileage ones, offering great value. Interior quality has mixed reviews, with some plastics feeling cheap and prone to scratches. The seats might sag after heavy use, and cabin noise can be intrusive on long journeys. Yet, the spacious boot and flexible seating make it practical for small families. Fuel system glitches, like clogged injectors in diesel variants, lead to poor performance and increased emissions. This can trigger warning lights and fail emissions tests, costing up to £400 to resolve. The diesel engines, however, provide strong torque for overtaking on A roads. Brake wear is accelerated in stop-start city driving, with pads and discs needing replacement every 20,000 miles or so. This is a straightforward fix, but it adds to running costs. The braking system is responsive, giving confidence in emergency stops. Air conditioning failures are reported, often due to compressor issues or refrigerant leaks. Repairs can reach £300, leaving you sweaty in summer traffic. When working, it cools efficiently, enhancing comfort in the UK's variable weather. The Fiesta's steering can develop play over time, from worn racks or pumps in power-assisted models. This might cause vague handling and a trip to the garage for about £600. Still, the precise steering is one of its strongest suits, making it ideal for urban maneuvers. Exhaust problems, including DPF blockages in diesels, arise from short trips that do not allow proper regeneration. Cleaning or replacement could cost £500. The exhaust note in sportier ST models adds a fun auditory element. Battery and alternator failures are not uncommon, leading to starting issues on cold mornings. A new battery might set you back £100, but it is an easy swap. The reliable electronics, when not glitchy, support features like automatic headlights. Wheel alignment drifts easily due to the soft suspension setup, causing uneven tire wear. Realignment costs around £50, but ignoring it leads to pricier tire replacements. The grippy tires enhance the car's dynamic feel. Infotainment software updates are sometimes needed to fix bugs, but dealerships charge for them. This can be a hassle for non-tech owners. The system integrates well with smartphones, keeping you connected. Paint chipping on the bonnet and doors is a minor but annoying fault from stone chips on motorways. Touch-up paint is cheap, but it affects resale value. The vibrant color options make the Fiesta stand out. Central locking malfunctions where doors fail to unlock remotely stem from key fob or module issues. A fix might cost £150. Security features like immobilizers are robust against theft. Coolant leaks from the radiator or hoses can overheat the engine if not addressed. Parts and labor could total £400. Efficient cooling keeps the EcoBoost performing in hot weather. Windscreen wipers wear quickly in rainy UK climates, needing replacement annually. Blades are inexpensive at £20. Visibility remains clear with the effective demisters. Headlight bulbs burn out faster in models with halogen lights, requiring frequent changes. Upgrading to LEDs improves brightness but costs extra. Night driving is safer with good illumination. Door handles can become loose or sticky, especially on passenger sides. A simple tighten or replacement is under £50. Ergonomic design makes entry easy. Fuel cap issues like faulty seals lead to evaporative emission warnings. Replacement is cheap and quick. The capless design in some models is convenient. Tire pressure sensors sometimes give false readings, triggering dashboard alerts. Recalibration costs little, but it is irritating. Accurate monitoring prevents blowouts. Seatbelt retractors can jam, posing a safety risk. Repairs are covered under warranty if applicable, otherwise around £100. Strong safety ratings from Euro NCAP are A+. The Fiesta shines in affordability, with used prices from £3,000 to £10,000, depending on trim and mileage. Its fun-to-drive nature appeals to young drivers and city dwellers. Fuel economy and low tax bands keep running costs down. However, the reliability issues, particularly with the engine and electrics, mean it is not for those seeking hassle-free ownership. Maintenance can add up, so budgeting for repairs is key. Overall, it offers great value if you are prepared for occasional fixes. In conclusion, the Ford Fiesta 7th generation suits budget-conscious drivers who prioritize fun handling over bulletproof reliability, such as first-time buyers or urban commuters in the UK. It is less ideal for long-distance travelers or those wanting minimal upkeep. If you can handle the quirks, it remains a charming super mini. And if you own this automotive masterpiece, please describe the problems you encountered while driving it. Perhaps your review will help viewers when choosing a car. That's all I have for now. Thank you all very much for your attention. I'd be very grateful if you subscribe to the channel. See you soon.